how to take a screenshot in a laptop. Now that's what I'm going to show you guys in this pretty quick and easy video, because it's actually super easy to do, and I'm going to show you guys two methods in order to do this. Now there's also buttons on your keyboard, but I personally don't like that at all. There's actually two built-in ways in Windows to do this, where you have much more customization and options in order to do this. Now how to actually do this, there's here is way one. You have to hold the Windows button and Shift and S. If you press those keys at the same time, then you get this menu over here. You have a couple of different options. So rectangular snip, free form snip, window snip, and full screen snip. So rectangular snip is, if you click on there, I can now, let's say I want to take a screenshot only on for this place, then I can just do it like that. Release it, then the screenshot will pop up on the right. Click on it. Here you can see the screenshot. You can even edit it by drawing a bit in there. And then here you can see the save as button. And here you can save it as a screenshot. Then click on save, and now you've saved this as a screenshot. Let's say you don't like this. You can either click on new, or you have also an option like snip in 3 seconds or 10 seconds, which is actually pretty cool. If you click on new, then this menu will pop up again. So here you have the free form like that. Then here you have the windowed, and then it will select a window which you have currently open. So as you can see, I'm switching between this taskbar and this window. If I click on that window, it will take a screenshot only exactly of this window. I can also click on the full screen one. Then it will take a full screenshot. I have two monitors, so it will also take a screenshot of my left monitor. Now, that is basically it. That is method number one. Method number two is if you search for snipping tool on your Windows PC or laptop, you also have this. And this is actually exactly the same, but it just looks a little bit more outdated and old. Now, if I just click on new snip, I can do the exact same thing. Take a screenshot, draw, and then over here click on save snip, or go to file and click on save snip. Here you can also click on new snip if you would like to. So yeah, that is basically it. So I hope this video helped you out. Let me know in the comments if it did, and then I will see you next time. Have a good day.